Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 6 says, a surveyor at the Dog Plot Gravel Company has found that for every 80 feet horizontal, the vertical drop-off is 2.5 feet. On average, what is the percent grade for this piece of land? So this is a problem where I'm going to use the ratio of rise or vertical change compared to the run or horizontal change. Again, we can look at it as a picture. Every 80-foot horizontal has a drop-off of 2.5 feet. And so I'm going to substitute in to my ratio. The vertical change or the rise is 2.5, and that's going to be negative because it's moving downward. And the run, or horizontal change, is 80. Then I'm going to punch that into a calculator. Negative 2.5 divided by 80 is negative 0.03125. The question asks, on average, what is the percent grade? So I'm going to multiply this by 100, and I would find out the percent grade is negative 3.125%.